How to connect the hosting or domain to your Shopify account within some seconds on your browser. For doing this, what you have to do is simply open a Hostinger website in front of you and simply copy the domain of your Hostinger website. And then you should click on the login Shopify store account, enter your email address and your password, and then log into your Shopify. Now you will be redirected to the store of your Shopify available online here. What you have to do is simply click on your store, but in the setting of your left bottom screen, you can see the setting option is available. Click on the setting, and again from the left setting option, there is an option called domains on the last fourth is here. So now you can simply see that you can search a domain from this menu and you can connect an existing domain that exists, that is for your hosting account. Click on this connect option, add the domain from this menu, and then click on the next button. Then you have to verify your domain, and yes, you can use or you can enjoy using it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe to this channel for watching such updates, videos, and reviews like this. Keep watching, keep loving.